Hello children, I welcome you to this video class for class 9 CBSE students. And the lesson today is The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. This is taken out from our book Beehive. Before understanding the lesson, let us first try to understand about the writer Catherine Mansfield. She was a very famous writer from New Zealand. She was born in 1888 and died in 1923 at a very young age of 35. But even before she died, she had achieved a reputation of being the most talented writers of the modern short stories. This is the picture of the young writer Catherine Mansfield. Now let us go to the introduction of the story. This story, The Little Girl, is about relationship between children and their parents. The writer, Catherine Mansfield, makes us understand. She wants us to understand that children share a very important, they share a very deep, very intimate relationship or bond of love with their parents. But when they are small, when the children are small and young, what they feel is that they feel that the parents are very strict, the parents do not like or do not love their children. This is the concept, this is the idea which is there in the young mind of some children. And sometimes the strict parents, the strict actions of the parents also give a misconception, produce a misconception in the mind that the children are not loved by the parents. And they even feel the sense of injustice as well sometimes. But as the children grow old or as they start growing, they understand that or they realize that all the acts of their parents are for the betterment of the children themselves. So in this story, we understand a little girl, Kezia, is there. She has a very deep fear from her father. So we'll now understand the story that why Kezia was so afraid and how her fear is later on removed from her mind. A little girl Kezia was very afraid of her father. For her, she was a very, very fearful figure. She was not able to stand the presence of her father. He was a figure to be afraid of, and she always used to avoid him. She always stuttered. She was not even able to speak properly in front of her father. She felt a sense of relief. She used to feel relieved whenever her father went out for war. So this was the condition here for Kezia. Her father was a very, very fearful personality. One Sunday afternoon, what happens is that her grandmother, Kezia's grandmother, she also wanted to improve the relation between Kezia and father. She wanted Kezia to be loved by or to be cared by father. She wanted Kezia to avoid the father's fear. So what she decides or advises is that she wants Kezia to go to her parents and talk to them. But as Kezia went to the room, the mother was busy reading a newspaper and the father had stretched himself on the sofa. He was sleeping and he was snoring with a handkerchief on his face. So this way Kezia was not able to speak there. She was not able to start any sort of conversation there. So the time goes on. On his birthday, on the birthday of her father, as advised by her grandmother, Kezia decides to present him a pin cushion. And she makes a cushion, but she was not able to get anything to put inside the cushion. And when she was looking for something, she found some sheets of fine papers on the table. And what she does is that she picks up those sheets of papers and tears them up and stuffs them in the cushion. So Kezia was very, very happy as she was able to present something to her father. But here what has happened is that the papers which she had picked up and which she had stuffed the pincushion with, those papers contained the written speeches of her father. And when the father came to know about this, he was extremely angry. He started punishing her, he started beating her, and her little hands were bruised with the sticks. After that incident, Kezia became more fearful of her father. She was not able to look at his face properly. Kezia used to look outside and used to see her neighbors. One of the neighbor was Mr. MacDonald, and she used to see Mr. MacDonald playing with his children. And when Mr. MacDonald would be playing with his children, Kezia used to feel the difference between her father and Mr. MacDonald. And she used to come to conclusion, or she came to conclusion, that there were different types of fathers. So this way, Kezia used to compare her father with Mr. MacDonald. The days went by. One day, her mother got ill and was admitted to hospital. And Kezia was left all alone at home, as her grandmother also had left with her mother to the hospital. Alice, the cook, put her into the bed in the evening. And as usual, Kezia was not able to sleep alone. She used to sleep with her grandmother. She had a nightmare that night also, but she was all alone then. So Kezia was left alone at home. She used to sleep with her grandmother, but as the grandmother also had gone to the hospital, she was put to bed by Alice the cook. But she was not able to sleep. She used to get a nightmare. She used to have a bad dreams. And tonight also, she felt that fear. She had that nightmare and she started crying. At that time, her father came and took her to his bed carefully. Then she realized how deeply she was loved by her father. Kezia always used to think that her father never loved her, but now she realized that she was always loved by him. She now understood that he was being strict, but at the same time had an equal amount of love for her. Now Kezia started feeling that her father was always protecting her. He was always taking care of her in every step of her life. So now the relation between Kezia and her father starts improving. Let me now come to the thematic content of the story. The theme of the story is a bond between a child and a father. Children take time to understand the actions of their parents when they are small, when they are young. Sometimes what they feel is that the parents are being too strict. The parents are very, very strict for them. But as they grow old, they start understanding why the parents tend to be strict with the children. Here, Kezia also now understood that the father was always taking care of her. He was always loving her. Children, what they do is that sometimes they tend to develop even a negative opinion of the parents, and sometimes a sense of distrust also crop up between the children and the parents. However, as they grow old, as the children grow old, their attitude towards their elders also undergo a change. Thus, the theme is based on this process of change in little children as they grow up and begin to notice the soft and caring heart of their strict parents. In this story also, we have understood that Kezia always misunderstood her father, but at the end, she was able to understand that the father was of course strict, but he used to love her as well. So children, I hope that you have understood the story. Till we meet in the next video, keep reading the book. Thank you.